There may be times when support from Vivi's support desk is needed. To raise a support ticket, within Vivi Central, choose the support option from the left menu. From the upper right corner, select Create Ticket. Use the first drop-down to select Incident. Then, fill in as much information as possible in the form that appears. It should be noted the more information provided in the form, the more quickly our support team can begin working on the issue. Once all fields have been completed, select Create. As the ticket moves through our support channels, you will receive an email with an update that allows you to communicate with our support team. Upon raising a support ticket, if the matter is urgent, phone numbers will be displayed where you can speak to a member of Vivi support. The Vivi box logs events such as disconnections and errors. While these log files are automatically sent to the Vivi log file server daily, you may be asked to send the logs immediately. To do so, from Vivi Central, select the Devices link. Then select Configure Devices. Ensure Cloud Update is toggled off. Select the boxes required to have their logs sent. Click on the Edit Device Settings button from the right-hand corner and select Send Logs. Click Send Logs and then confirm that the logs are to be sent. The logs will be submitted to Vivi Support.